As you can see, I'm in my kitchen right now because I'm going to prepare my packed lunch for tomorrow. It's a simple chia pudding recipe and I just wanted to share it with you. Let's go! Gawa ko na guys yung chia pudding. So I put like 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 3 heaping tablespoon of chia seeds, and then I just mix it with the almond milk and I keep it in the fridge. Now I'm ready to add the toppings. So gusto ko lang ng peanut butter. I'm gonna add maybe 2 dollops of peanut butter. Ganyan. At ito muna to. And this one, I have sunflower seeds. So, lalagyan ko din yan. Normally, I don't like it sweet. So, kahit hindi ako maglagay ng stevia or any sweetener, okay lang ako doon. Pero kung gusto nyo ng mas matamis, then you can add any type of sweetener that you like. Yan. So, yun na siya guys. My peanut butter, sunflower seeds, chia pudding. This is for my packed lunch tomorrow. Madali lang siyang gawin, di ba? And very healthy, high on fiber and omega-3. So, yon. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for future recipes, healthy recipes.